What up guys, RealTouchGML here, back with your first Java tutorial. Now this is my second time uploading this, just because I didn't really know what to do as far as showing you guys how to do Java or applets. And I've decided to go with applets, just because you can put applets into a website, and I was thinking maybe show you guys how to incorporate that into a website later. So I'm going to be showing you a series on how to make Java with applets. The only difference is that it can, again, go in a web browser. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, we're going to import, well, I've created a new project here. It's just called Applet Tutorial. If you don't know how to do that, go to File, New, Java Project. And then I went and added a class. So you just go here and then you do New Class. And I named mine Main Class. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to import java.applet, and I'm going to import java.auth. And we can create the main class. This should already be made for you guys, but I deleted that for some reason. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and extends applet. And this is why we imported this to use this applet. And what we're going to do is we're going to implements runnable. And that's with a capital R, and the applet is with a capital A. So you see we get an error here. It's because we use runnable to use the public void run method. So what we're going to do here is we're going to set up the basic skeleton for an applet. So I'm going to do public void init. Okay. We're going to do public void start, public void destroy, public void stop, public void run, which is why we use that implements. Okay, so this is the basic skeleton right here. So if we go ahead and play it, you see we do get a window right now, and that all of this code just went ahead and made a window. So what does this mean exactly? Well, the public means that you can get to it from any class. So if you had it from, if you had this a lot of classes and you wanted to refer to, say, this class here or this method, then you would, well, you can refer to it. This void means it does not have a return value. So, like, if we wanted to store an integer between these parentheses, which are called parameters, instead of public void, we would do public int, and we would say, like, int x or something like that, you know. So just public void means there's nothing in the parameters, and we're good there. So the init is pretty much the initialize. So this is where you initialize all your variables. The start is where you start up your threads or anything you want to really start up right when the window is created. Destroy is when your window is destroyed, and stop is when your window is stopped. And the run method is kind of like the step event in GameMaker, if you're familiar with GameMaker. I have GameMaker tutorials on my channel, so I'm going to be referring to GameMaker a lot while I do these tutorials. But the run method here is kind of like the step event. Once we add in threads, it'll be like every 20 milliseconds or something like that. It will update. So I'll show you how to do that in the next tutorials. But yeah, that's pretty much it. These are, you can kind of look at these as all like events from GameMaker. So you know, like that the init would be kind of be like the create event. So you can initialize all your variables there. The destroy can be like, I don't even know, but yeah. So go ahead and leave a like if you like this. This is the series that I'm sticking with for Java, so don't worry about that, and I will see you guys next tutorial. Go and leave a like, go and subscribe. Yep, and I'll see you guys next time.